Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure lead pages for lead magnets and email capture, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Leadpages account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Landing Page button. Choose a template that aligns with your lead magnets theme. Customize the title and subtitle for your landing page. Add a compelling image that represents your lead magnet. Incorporate a clear call to action button. Edit the text on the button to prompt users to download or access your lead magnet. Next, insert a form to capture emails from users. Click on the form element and adjust the fields as needed. Ensure you include fields for name and email at a minimum. Now, set up your email notification settings. Go to the Settings tab and select Integrations. Choose your email marketing provider from the list. Log into your email service to link your account. After connecting, configure the form to send captured emails directly to your mailing list. Return to the landing page editor and adjust any styling to match your brand. Preview the landing page to ensure everything looks as intended. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button. After publishing, copy the link to your landing page. Share the link on your social media and website to drive traffic. Monitor the performance through the Leadpages Analytics dashboard. Continuously optimize your landing page based on user engagement and conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.